like, okay.
It's the Musgrove Pool. Day one swimming. Woo-hoo! Custom spa neck roll. Tahoe blue. Charcoal vertical. Flagstone waterfall. Jump rock. Iridescent glass. Whee! Carved hand chiseled flagstone. Bubblers on low on the beach entry flagstone. Flagstone laterals in peagravel. And there's Miss Musgrove. Miss Musgrove, how was your experience building this beautiful passion pool?
It was great. We're very happy with it. We love it. It's beautiful. Thank you.
If you were to be talking to somebody that's prospectively building a pool like this, what would you tell them about Rob and Roger?
Go with Passion Pools. They'll do you right.
She's shy. Thank you.